Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make something delicious using the croissant rolls, some cinnamon, some canned pumpkin, cream cheese, and some sugar. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is soften the cream cheese. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe. And if you are subscribed, thank a lot for your support. So I'm softening up the cream cheese and then we'll add in the other ingredients. I'm going to start off with half a cup of sugar and half a can of pumpkin, and I'm going to put some cinnamon to taste. And after I blend this all up, I'll see how it tastes and then I'll adjust it and add more sugar or cinnamon if needed. This looks really good already. I love how all the bright orange colors. It's important to scrape down the bowl and to blend it really good. It'll turn a nice even golden color. So I tasted it and I can see that it's a little bland and it needs more sugar and more cinnamon.
Hi, Mom.
Okay.
I know what does a good job.
Time to open up the croissant dough. Punch. She got it. Okay. So I'm going to spray it down this cupcake tin, and then I'm going to use the dough to make almost like little pie shells. I'm just going to press it down and press it up the sides. This way it can hold the pumpkin cream cheese batter. Now it's time to fill up the croissants with 2 heaping spoons of the pumpkin cream cheese filling each. And I didn't have any left over, so this was the perfect amount to fill them all up. Next, I'm going to put a little dusting of some cinnamon, and then I'm going to bake it at 375 for 18 minutes. So here they are, 18 minutes later, baked at 375 degrees. They came out really good, and when I took a bite into them, the filling tastes amazing, and I was really happy because the dough cooked perfectly and there was no raw dough.
Wait, 1% each?
There's 1% each. The filling's hot, be careful. Yeah? It's good. It's good. It was a good time to cook them. Cook them for 18 minutes at 375. This way the dough will be fully cooked.